Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on the ASUS UM425Q hard drive review. Today, we'll explore how to check the hard drive and upgrade it if necessary. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. First, gather a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic opening tool. These tools will ensure you can safely and effectively access the internals of your laptop. Begin by shutting down your ASUS UM425Q and removing the power adapter. It's crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the process. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. There are typically 5 Phillips screws that need to be removed. Keep them in a safe place for reassembly. Once the screws are out, use the plastic opening tool to carefully pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and gently work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips. When the panel is loose, lift it off to expose the internal components. Now, let's locate the hard drive. The hard drive is usually secured in a bracket, which is held by additional screws. Use your Torx screwdriver to remove these screws. Remember to keep track of all screws, as mixing them up can lead to issues during reassembly. With the screws removed, gently lift the hard drive out of its slot. If you are upgrading, this is the perfect time to inspect the connections. Make sure to clean any dust or debris from the area using a can of compressed air. A clean workspace ensures better performance and longevity of your hardware. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this upgrade, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with any hard drive issues you may encounter. Next, if you are installing a new hard drive, align it with the connectors and gently push it into place. Make sure it's seated properly before securing it with the screws from the bracket. This is a critical step to ensure your hard drive functions correctly. Now, replace the back panel by aligning it with the clips and pressing down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the 5 Phillips screws to secure the panel. Tighten them gently, avoid over-tightening, as this can cause damage. Finally, flip your laptop back over, reconnect the power adapter, and power it on. Check if the new hard drive is recognized by your operating system. If everything is in order, you have successfully upgraded your ASUS UM425Q hard drive. If you ever need assistance, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. Additionally, we offer a quote before repair, ensuring that you know the costs up front. No calls, no travel, just straightforward service at your convenience. Thank you for following along with our ASUS UM425Q hard drive upgrade tutorial. We hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your laptop's performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.